Welcome to the Nostalgic Multiverse.
Yo.
Hello everyone, Nostalgic here. So, today we have a different review this time. Today, we are going to be reviewing Jay's Lightning Jet EVO. Now, this set is just 13 euros. 13 euros for one jet plane that you have to build and one minifigure. It's quite fine, but still, the fact that we get the boring core J design is just... I mean, it's not boring, it's quite cool. The design is cool, but the minifigure is just... boring. Anyway, as for the jet itself, there's nothing much to it. I mean, you have Jay's lightning symbol on the wings here. You also have these blades that pop out in order to go back here or something. And you even have defense mechanisms over here where you can just launch some things. But again, this is an evolutionary one, so you would probably have to add the blades and probably this part of the engine here. And that's basically it. With that, thank you very much for watching. This is Nostalgic signing off, and reminding you all that nostalgia never dies.